Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and healthy. Dear student, in our previous classes we have done reading and picture recognition of three-letter words, sound of a and e with the help of phonic sound. Today we will do sound of a and e together, okay, with the help of phonic sound. So let's speak out. Firstly, you will read a G, egg, a G, egg. B, sound of b, B, a, sound of g, G, B, a, G, bag. Firstly, you have to speak bag. Okay, next, L, sound of l, L, a, G, leg, L, A, G, leg. Next, W, sound of W, W, A, G, sound of G, G, wag. Speak again, egg, bag, leg, wag. Now write here egg. Start from third line, right here, go slant up, turn, move back, cut, go up, move back and turn. Right here G, small g, go slant up, touch the second line, move back, turn, go up, go down slant, touch the fourth line and turn. G, egg. Come to the word B, A, G, bag. B, sound of B, B, sound of B, B. Go slant down, make a slanting line, turn, close mouth, make a semicircle like this, again semicircle, go up slant, make small a like this, go to the second line, turn, move back, go up, move back down to the fourth line, fold and out. Speak out B, A, G, bag, B, A, G, bag. Next, L, A, G, leg, sound of L, L. Speak and write sound of L, L. Start from second line, go slant up like this, turn, go down, fold, touch the line, a, small a, L, A, G, leg, L, A, G, leg. Next, W, A, G, wag, W, A, G, wag. Sound of W, W, right here W, go slant up, turn, go up, move back and turn, go up, right here small a, G, wag, W, A, G, wag. Egg, bag, leg, wag. Next, E, G. What is this? Egg. What is this? E, G, egg. Take a short sound. Egg, egg, egg. यहाँ पर अ है तो हम लॉन्ग साउंड लेंगे लाइक दिस एग. ई, टेक शॉर्ट साउंड एग, ई जी, एग. राइट हियर एग. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम थर्ड लाइन, गो स्लैंट अप, फोल्ड लाइक दिस, go up, down like this to the fourth line, fold. E-G, egg. Next, sound of B, E, G. What is this? Bag. What is this? Bag. E आ रहा है तो take a short sound. Bag, bag, bag. Right here, start from first line, make a slanting line, turn, go up, semicircle, again semicircle, fold, up, make a E G, B-E-G, beg, bag, beg. Next, leg, sound of L, L-E-G, leg, L-E-G, leg, 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 right here leg, L-E-G, leg. Next, sound of R, sound of R-E-G, reg, R-E-G, reg. Start from first line, go line down, go up, R-E-G, reg, R-E-G, reg. Next, A-D, add, A-D, add, right here add, like this, small a, D, small d, add. Sound of B, a, D, add, bad, right here, B, a, D, bad. Next, F, A, D, sound of F, A, sound of D, sound of D, fad, right here. Start from this point, turn like this, fold, go down, slant and turn. Make a small sleepy line, go small a, D, fad, F-A-D, fad. Next, sound of L, A-D, lad, like this, makes L, A, D, lad, bad, fad, lad. Next, what is this? Add. And what is the ed? Take a short sound, add. Take a long sound, add, add. Right here, ed, add. Small e, d, add. B-E-D, bed. Sound of ब, किसकी sound आएगी? ब की. E-D, add, bed. Right here, B, E, D, bed. Next, F-E-D, fed. F, E, D, fed. L-E-D, led. L-E-D, led. So student, do your work neat and clean in proper formation. Okay, thank you student, have a good day.